Is it even worth it? Yes, but only if you get this right. You and only $100 to your name. No rich parents, no finance degrees, just you and your first shot at investing. Is it even worth it? Yes, but only if you get this right. Most people, they're gonna tell you that you need thousands to start investing. But here's the thing, starting early with just as little is what actually creates wealth. Compound interest rewards time, not money. In fact, just $100 per month at age 20 can become $1 million by retirement, even if you stop adding money over time. That just goes to show the power of compound interest. How to start? Open a broker account. You're gonna need a place to invest. Use apps like M1 Finance, Fidelity, and Robinhood. Make sure they offer fractional shares and no commissions. Simple, no excuses. Choose the right investment. Don't go for the next Tesla. Don't try to find the next Bitcoin or whatever. That's just gambling, not investing. Choose ETFs like Pooh or SPY that track the whole market and they actually make people money over time. Automate and forget. Set up a recurring deposit. Even $20 a month could do it. Turn on dividend reinvestment. And then hands off. Your job? Stay out of your own way. Okay, but how long would it actually take for you to become a millionaire? Let's say you start with nothing and you invest only $100 per month in the S&P 500, averaging at 10% per year. You'd hit $1 million in 47 years. Let's say you can invest a little more, let's say $300 per month. Or even 500, you'd hit $1 million in 26 years. And if you're investing $1,000 per month, you'd be hitting $1 million in 19 years. So yeah, time and consistency matter way more than trying to get rich quick. Small amounts invested early do compound into something crazy. Remember that you should also invest even more while the forward PE is down. For that, look at this video. Let's be real, the biggest reason why people don't invest isn't the money. It's fear, doubt, feeling like you're behind. Maybe you're 20 or 30 or even 40 and thinking, is it too late for me? Okay, let's have a reality check. Median net worth in the US. In your 20s, 6.5k. In your 30s, 23k. In your 40s, 74k. In your 50s, 190k. And by 60, 290k. Not to shame you, but to remind you, if you're starting now, you're already ahead of most. You're probably even ahead of me. And 100? That feels like nothing today, but over 30 years, that's wealth. It's not get rich quick, it's get rich for sure. And future you, either 10, 20, 30 years from now, will either thank you or wish you started today.